Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, here at the 5000 News Studio. I'm Gertrude, and tonight we bring you an intriguing report on a subject that could potentially reshape the way we think about heating our homes. We're diving into the fascinating concept of using abandoned coal mines to provide heat for our households. Let's explore this innovative idea and its implications.
We are in the industrial north. We are about as far northeast as you can go, and coal mining was absolutely essential. It was a major part of industry here. This is around the site of the Dordon Colliery, which closed in 1991. It provided in its time one of the main employment sources for the area. The mines were pumped to be dry while they were actually used. As the mines were closed, those pumps have been switched off, and then water has resurfaced and gone through the infrastructure of the mines.
Let me explain some more about this situation. So, water is pumped down into the deep recesses of the abandoned coal mines, where it is naturally heated by the Earth's core. The heated water is then brought back up to the surface, where its thermal energy can be extracted and used for space heating and even to produce electricity.
One company that's put this into practice is Lanchester Wines.
Adam, nice to meet you.
This warehouse is actually heated using the flooded mine water underneath it, using a heat pump system. This is supermarket wine, a lot of it, so it needs to be kept at sort of an ambient temperature. It's going to be drunk in the next few months, and so that's one of the biggest expenses for our business. Is we've got about 1 million square foot of warehouse, and you have to keep that at an ambient temperature. And here is where it all happens. There is a wondrous heat pump. We started our journey to carbon neutral in 2012. We started with wind turbines, and very quickly we had to move on to heating. And so really it was a case of looking at what our options were. And we were quite fortunate with this warehouse. But then many of the warehouses in the northeast of England are over flooded mine workings.
A pilot project is already underway in certain regions, with abandoned coal mines being retrofitted to accommodate geothermal heating systems. Early results have shown promising outcomes, with reduced carbon emissions and a dependable heat source, even in harsh weather conditions.
The UK is not the only place pushing forward with this technology. The Netherlands is using its old mine water to heat and cool homes, offices, shops and more. And this could be just the beginning.
How does it feel to take a historic technology that has in some ways played a part in the climate crisis and turn that around and find a new use for it?
So I think it's quite amazing for everybody that's involved in this, because I think not only are you repurposing something and potentially providing economic regeneration and green jobs back into those areas that were associated with coal mining, but actually creating clean energy from the coal mines. In the UK, we have got over 30,000 old mines. Now, not all of them can be used because there's different forms of mining,
Of course, there are challenges to overcome. Retrofitting old mines requires careful engineering and investment. Additionally, not all locations may be suitable for this technology. However, proponents believe that with advancements in drilling techniques and increased investment, the potential benefits far outweigh the obstacles. Thank you for being with me today. This is 5000 News. Take care.